Hi guys, so we are going to be unboxing this laptop right now. It's a MacBook Pro and I just got it. I'm really excited to unbox this, and this is the first time ever I will be buying a MacBook, so I don't even know. Okay, I know what it feels like and I know how it looks like, right? But I've actually never really handled it for a long time. Yeah, but now that I have mine, we can just have all of the details in. So yeah, so we have this balloon. I don't know what it's called, but let's pop it. Oh, this gives a nice feeling. Okay, yeah, so this is what it looks like fresh out of the box. At the back we have, it says MacBook. It says 8 gig unified memory, 256 GB SSD, 13 inches. I don't know if you can see it, but this is what we have on it. 13 inches MacBook Pro with Apple M1 chip. Yeah, so I'm just going to open it up for you guys to see. Wow. Wow. Such a baby. Such a baby. Let's do a little bit of ASMR. Okay. I believe you should open up like this. Why is it so hard? Bro. Wow. Is it silver or space gray? I requested for space gray. What color is this? Color is not in it. That's red. I can't see anything like space gray. Space gray, but it looks like space gray. Oh, what is it called? Is this space gray silver? Okay, yeah, so I'm so sorry, I already messed it up. Yeah, so this is the laptop itself. I think this is space gray. I requested for space gray. Is it even space gray, or I don't know what it's called? Oh yeah. Okay, so let's just remove this. Wow. Oh, wow. 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 So this is the laptop itself, space gray, and it's so small. I really like the fact that it's small. I bought it because I wanted a small laptop, and then it comes with a charger. I read somewhere that this is 2 meters long. It is a C to C mount charger, as you can see, and then it comes with the adapter. This should be 61 watt C USB adapter. It also comes with the manual MacBook Pro. I think the color should be written somewhere here, but this is space gray. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we have the Apple stickers, Apple logo stickers. What else? Nothing more. Wow. Okay, so this is basically everything it came with. Now let's take a look at what the laptop itself looks like. I believe this color is space gray. I'm not sure. Like I said, I've never actually bought a MacBook, so I don't know what their colors are like. But then it has 2 C mounts here, and it has this port for, I believe this should be for earpiece, or 3.5 jack mount. What else? And this is what the front looks like, I believe. Yeah, this should be the front. What else? It's actually very slim and light, and it says you can open up. Wow. Wait, I got some sort of sound. Doesn't come on again. Wow, can you see? Wow. It's not bad. It's really sleek. Okay, for language, you're going to be clicking on English. What's happening? Oh. Return key, okay. Wow. Select your country. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to use Nigeria. Return. Continue. Oh, okay. So for vision, I can always do this later, so not now. I've forgotten that the first time I operated a Mac, I had to Google how to press enter on the regular Windows, where you just have to touch this touchpad and then it enters. But this one, I always have to do a left click and enter. I think that's how it works here. Okay, so connect to a Wi-Fi. Let me connect to my hotspots. Okay. This is actually my camera. My camera uses a Wi-Fi. So Adesolamie's iPhone. Let's connect to this password. Continue. Wow, it's so nice. I hope the setup doesn't take forever anyway. So this is it. Continue. How do you want to transfer your information from a Mac, Time Machine, backup or startup, from a window, a startup disk? Okay, I think this is the right option for me. Continue. Your Mac is running on battery power. It is strongly recommended that you connect your Mac to AC power before migrating. Okay, continue. But then I don't have anything to transfer. Oh, I kind of knew this would be complicated. Let me do from a Windows please. Okay, not now. My Apple ID. Okay. Agree. Okay, there's a way you can use one hand to click. Okay, I think I'm getting it. New password. Full name Adesholamie Spence. Okay, I think I kind of always prefer just Adesholamie. Adesholamie is fine. New password. Meanwhile, let me try to connect the adapter and the cable. Oh, I really love long cords. Yep, I really do love them. Now it's plugged to the power source. Let me just finish up the settings real quick. Continue. Screen time, we can always set this up later. Siri, continue. Okay, continue. Set up a Siri later. No. Continue. What else? For the touch bar, let me just quickly do that now. Okay. Yes. Light, dark, auto. I think I would like to switch between light and dark. So auto it is. Continue. See without true tone. Like continue, allow it to go. Boom. And then we have our computer right here. And I think that's basically the setup. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and all of those good stuff. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.